Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Education Demystified. Today I am going to discuss three very important definition of DBMS. First definition, what is metadata? A set of data that describes and gives information about other data is called metadata. So we can say data about data is metadata, or metadata represents behind the scenes information. Basically, metadata summarizes basic information about data, which can make finding and working with particular instances of data easier. Example, metadata for a music file might include the artist's name, the album, and the year it was released. Now, the types of metadata. Metadata is used for a variety of broad purposes. So, there are different types of metadata, like first one, descriptive metadata, that provides descriptive information about a resource. It is used for discovery and identification purpose. It includes title, abstract, author and keywords, etc. Second one, structural metadata, which indicates how compound objects are put together. For example, how pages are ordered to form chapters. It describes the types, versions, relationships, etc. Third type of metadata is administrative metadata, that provides information to manage a resource like resource type, permissions, etc. Fourth type is reference metadata, that provides information about the contents and quality of the statistical data. Fifth one is technical metadata, which include file types, size, creation date and time, and any type of compression. Technical metadata is often used for digital object management. Sixth one is preservation metadata, which is used in navigation. For an example, its property include an item's place in a hierarchy or sequence. Now, what is database engine? Database engine is also known as storage engine. Database engine is the heart of the DBMS. A database engine is the underlying system that a database uses to function. Many different technologies rely on internal engines, which are the fundamental building blocks on which they operate. Basically, it is responsible for storing, retrieving and updating the data. Next definition, what is data model? A data model is a description of a database. Actually, data models define how the logical structure of a database modeled, and data models are fundamental entities to introduce abstraction in a DBMS. So we can say data models define how the data is connected to each other and how they are processed and stored inside the system. If we consider, for instance, a data model may specify that the data element representing a car be composed of a number of other elements which represent the color and size of the car and define its owner. Data model is based on data, data relationship, data semantic and data constraint. A data model can be sometimes be referred to as a data structure, especially in the context of programming languages. Data models are often complemented by functional models, especially in the context of enterprise models. There are different types of data models, which will be discussed in the next videos. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for further video updates.